Hey everyone, welcome to another day in daily December. I have 2 house vlogs planned for this month. Today is going to be a walkthrough of all the updates that we've made so far to the home, new furniture, refresh things, and I'll walk you through what the next stage plans are. And then the other video, which may or may not already be up, if it is, you'll find it up there and down in the description box, will be a walkthrough of my holiday home decor. So today we're just gonna focus on the stuff that is not dependent on the holidays. You'll probably see some holiday decor throughout the video. Stay tuned to watch that. But first, let's see some updates and catch up on what's going on around the house. Let's start with the bathroom. Changes in here. We obviously changed the paint. I feel like I'm feeling deja vu. I feel like we've discussed this already, but the paint in here is Sherwin Williams Egret White. Nothing changed over here. On this side, we painted all of the cabinets and the same color as we painted the cabinets in the kitchen, which is Sherwin Williams Snowbound. I will leave all the colors in the description box. We added new pulls. I got all the pulls. I'm pretty sure I got them at Home Depot. They're the little acrylic ones. And we got new light fixtures. And those, I believe, are also from Home Depot. Those I can all link below. Now, the next project, which is starting probably before the end of the year, we are replacing all the countertops with Dolomite, which looks like marble. But especially once you seal it, with the bulletproof sealer, it's like granite. So I get the look of marble. It's a little less expensive than marble. And I don't have to worry about destroying it. And we are getting new fixtures. And because we're pulling all this up, our contractor suggested now is the time to change the mirrors. I've always hated this, just throw the mirror up on the wall. I want just a framed mirror in front of each kind of focal point. So that's happening. And then we'll drywall and paint the rest. And we didn't realize it until he came into measurements, but our light fixtures, look, if this is the center, our light fixtures are a little off center. So once we remove the mirrors from the wall, he can put them center and then have the mirror frame. And I think raise them a little. They're kind of low for the height of the ceiling. So he's gonna raise them, center them, and then we'll put the mirrors up. I think that's everything that's going on in here. I did talk about swapping out that chandelier, but that's actually against code. You're not supposed to have an open light fixture hanging over water. If it fell off for obvious reasons, that would be very bad. So that is staying put. She just opened my closet. Okay. Then in here, this dog cracks me up. Again, we put the sconces in. Those came from Amazon. And then the cord covers came from Walmart, painted in here. And I have already forgotten what is the color that we went with here. Oh Lord. I'll remember and put it down in the description box. We also started hanging things back up. All the pictures have been down. So just to give you a little tour. This is a laser cutout as a wedding gift. And this is the Hebrew of the phrase, I am my beloved's and my beloved's is mine, from the Bible. That is our wedding picture, which we are going to have reframed to like fit the aesthetic better. I get questions all the time about this mirror. This is from IKEA. And then we did a little gallery wall, little collage up here. This is crooked. It's gonna make me crazy. This is a watercolor of our home in the Chicago area that we lived in for about 18 months. That was from Framebridge a long time ago. Anyway, there's just a whole bunch of different little things. That is our first Westie that my best friend's daughter drew for us. And that is a painting of our old synagogue here in San Antonio. The only other changes, we got Rowdy a new crate. It's bigger and it's the same make as the other two. I get a lot of questions about those as well, so I'll put those in the description box. And that's it for here. Oh, I got a new desk lamp. There it is. And that's not new. That's it. We moved this mirror back. It was in the guest room. I don't know if it's going to stay there, but it works for now. So that's this room. Now moving in here, the difference is that painting, that's our religious marriage contract. It's not a prenup. It's called a ketubah in Hebrew. That used to be here. So we moved it over here, moved the piece out. And if you ever want to see what this looks like close up. The artist's name is Mickey Caspi, and this is actually not Hebrew. This is Aramaic. It's one of the oldest legal documents in existence. And I don't know what most of it says, but right here, this word that I have my finger on is Miriam Rachel Bat Yosef. That's my Hebrew name. Marnie, Rachel, daughter of, that's my dad's name in Hebrew. And Michael's is in here too somewhere. Ephraim Yisrael Ben Shalom. That's Michael's Hebrew name. Anyway, there's the English that's fading. We didn't use that acid-free pens back in 1997, so that's my signature, Michael's signature, our rabbi's signature, and a maid of honor and best man as witnesses. So there's that little Hebrew lesson there. And then same deal with here, just the repainting. Oh, you know what? I forgot one thing. We did get new ceiling fans. They're off right now because it's like 50 degrees outside. There's one. And then a new ceiling fan. Rowdy, no. In here, obviously painting in here. The big change next week, I'm filming this on Friday I think it's the 4th. So next Friday the 11th, there will be a 75-inch Samsung frame TV going up right there. And for now, it's going to function as just artwork. We are ordering new furniture and are going to turn this room around so that we'll have a long sectional or couch going here. We have to decide soon. And a long sectional or couch going here and kind of rotating the room around. We will be getting a new coffee table, getting rid of these two pieces as well, maybe replacing them, maybe not with something else. Pretty sure we're ordering the furniture from Pottery Barn and it'll be here mid to late March at this point. So anyway, and then we'll talk more about that later. Oh, and we're getting new fireplace doors that are all just clear without the wood and brass inserts. Hung up our clock. Got a new mirror. That was from Kirkland's. In here, we still have to paint the ceiling. So we raised that and moved it center, but the ceiling is still not painted. That's a whole other job. I know we went over this. I feel like we went over this. Let's show you what's going on outside. You want to go outside? Get a better view from here. Those used to be hanging over my fireplace. I don't know what to do with them quite yet, so they're just sitting here. We got rid of the bigger table that was here that seated 4 people. It took up a lot of room, and I just ordered this little bistro set from Wayfair, and I think it's really cute. I need to order another cover that's more heavy duty, but we have a new fire pit under here. Well, you'll just have to take my word for it. This is all new. It's rectangular, as you can see. It has, you can kind of see the glass beads here. We haven't even turned it on. That's the old table. We got new seat covers for this table, and Michael actually spray painted all the iron, and I think it looks beautiful. He did such a good job. It looks like a brand new set of furniture. And then the big job, we did have all the wood restained, but then for the arbor, we've been really busy. I haven't bought a lot of clothes, but I bought a lot of other things. For the arbor, we got new floors put down and patched up. A new, let's see if we can see it. A new ceiling fan. We changed the railings out. I'll show you from the back. And can't really tell, but there is a roof on top of this now. It's clear, it's acrylic. So everything here stays dry and pretty clean. Here's a view from behind so you can see we put that kind of railing in and we finished it. This used to have lattice work on the bottom and now it's just fully skirted. I don't know why we never did that before. And then they just painted or restained all the fence along the whole perimeter of the house and then around the pool equipment, all the lattice on the bridge. And we have one more outdoor project here that starts on Monday. Oh, we did get a new barbecue right there. And we got an oilless turkey fryer. It's like a giant air fryer. So that's Michael's little kitchen setup. And then you can see better from up here. We, starting Monday, we're replacing both the ceiling fans. There's one there and there's one there. We're replacing both of those with same ceiling fans that are under our arbor out there. And then we're having a cedar roof inlay put inside our porch. And I will show you, we have that. The house came with it in the front porch. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. One more thing back here. Also on Monday, they're going to be power washing this and restaining it, or actually staining it. It was never stained. Power washing it and staining it the same color as the arbor. And they're going to be removing the tire swing and putting in like a full-size porch swing, which will be very nice to have. Another new addition, I had a different kind of mirror here, and I found this really pretty one, hello, from Anthropologie actually. And I like that it has like a little shelf area to contain some things. And since we don't have a mudroom, that's my door to the outside. The garage goes over there. There's really no back entrance and exit, so this is a little staging area. Keys are there. This piece used to be, oh, hi Rowdy, over there. Okay, I moved my mother-in-law's piece here. It's not absolutely perfect. I wish it ended right there, but it's such a beautiful piece and it needs to be more focused part of this house. We got a new lamp. It's on a dimmer and it's really cool. I love it. So there's that. That's from Target. Target's been killing it on the lamps. What else is going on, Rowdy? I know I've showed you this. We turned the dining room around since I last showed you. We got these chairs and lamp and table. So another lamp. I'll turn it on for you. It's from Target. We ordered these chairs from Ashley. I got the snowflake pillows. Well, the snowflake pillowcases are from Amazon. This little table is pretty sure it's from Ashley as well. Yes, we'll talk about the decor later. That did not come with chairs. And our newest addition, I'm so excited. This painting, if you follow me on Instagram, you already knew about it. This is a very special painting. This was a painting that we commissioned from an amazing artist in Mississippi. I'll put her contact info in the description box. And what's very unique about this painting is you can see there are 3 horizontal lines with waves. These are sound waves, and these are the visual representations of the sound recordings. We took Michael is on the top, then Jake, and then Shane, so the Goldberg boys, and we recorded each of them individually saying, I love you, using the voice recording memo app thing on our phones. They sent it to me, and then I took screenshots of the I love you part and sent it to the artist, and then she turned each one into art. So depending on the inflection of their voice and their tone, the sound waves are gonna look different for each person. And now I have a visual representation of all 3 of the boys in my life saying, I love you. You can have her do different colors, different size. This is the size that we wanted for the room, and I just could not be happier. And then we got these 2 lamps, Safavieh lamps from Amazon, actually, I found them. And then I just found this ginger jar thingy at HomeGoods. Now, of course, I don't like this rug anymore, and I think we need to swap it out. It's not that we made changes, but we moved some furniture out of the living room and brought them upstairs. So I'm not gonna show you the whole upstairs, but Rowdy's so excited. We took the gates down off the stairs. That was kind of a big deal. We did put this gate up because Mimi likes to sneak up here and pee in people's closets. So here's our game room. It's looked different over the years. When the kids were little, it looked like a classroom. I had like all the teacher charts and the ABC stuff and the bins and everything was labeled. Now it's kind of an extension of a man cave, I don't know. Anyway, these work so much better up here. So these shelves were down in the living room. Now they're up here, and this is more of like it's like a second den or family room, but nobody actually does anything in here. And then we do have a large TV there that nobody ever, the only thing that's connected to it is it's not a DVR, but it's something for our camera system. We have like an extensive set of cameras that go throughout the entire, we have them inside the house and we have them that go around the entire outside and backyard as well. Rowdy still has things to jump over. So that's it. That's it for here. I really like how it just kind of looks like it belongs here, like it always should have been here. Let me just take you outside right quick so you can see the porch that I'm talking about. You wait, and please don't lock me out. So, see the wood inlay at the top up there? That's that cedar finish out that we're looking for. We don't have it here either, so we'll probably end up doing it here, but that's what we're doing on our back porch. Well, that's it. Those are all the changes so far and what we have planned coming up. I hope you enjoyed my little kind of impromptu home update tour, and be sure you are watching every single day in December so you don't miss any of the fun. And you might also want to fully read the description box. Okay, that's all I'm saying there. Have a lovely day. Happy December, and I will see you tomorrow.